means doesn't make a difference. Thank you. Congratulations, Mr. Chairman.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Registered here in the United States. And what this does is it's a full circle. So we're working with the company.
At the end of the day, there has to be that intervention. You spoke about some intervention as regards American companies exporting because of the pricing mechanism. There is a tendency for imports to be more expensive from here. And when the idea is to bring down the price of feeds, that's why you are importing in the first place, then it doesn't make any sense then to buy very expensive feeds.
And expand opportunities for trade access, both for Kenya, for the United States, and specifically for South Carolina.